Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to break down for you how you can apply a freeze frame effect to your video clips on Shotcut. It is mind-blowingly simple and I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure you keep watching. And now let us get right into it. So let's assume you've been working on a video project like that with a video clip here on your video track. Let me play it in the preview mode. So I would like to pause the video or apply a freeze frame effect, let's say somewhere here at the 10-second mark, just like that here. So move your playhead where you would like to add the freeze frame effect to here at the 10-second mark, for instance. And what you want to do next, guys, is click on File here in the top left corner, select Export from the drop-down menu, and choose to save your screenshot or freeze frame screenshot on your computer. So click on Frame, choose the location on your computer where you would like to save your screenshot, give it a name here, choose the file type like PNG or JPEG, save it, and after that click on Open File here in the top left corner, locate your screenshot on your computer, upload it here to your library by clicking on the plus icon, and after that right click on your video clip here below first on your video track where you'd like to add the pause effect to, and select Split at Playhead. Next, select the right part of your video here with your left mouse and drag it here to the right to make some free space for your screenshot. After that, left click on your screenshot here in your playlist and move it here where you have made some space, just like that. You can also adjust your screenshot's length, for example, to make that pause or the freeze frame effect longer or shorter, just like that. And in the last step, simply close that gap here by moving that right part of your video clip to the left so that it snaps to your screenshot, just like that. And in the final step, simply enjoy the fruits of your work by watching the preview mode. There you go. As you can see, the freeze frame effect has been successfully applied to my video clip. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.